Hi. In this video tutorial, we explore the Excel sequence function. The sequence function is a powerful and flexible tool introduced in Excel 365 and Excel 2019. It's part of Excel's dynamic array functions and allows you to automatically generate a list or grid of numbers. With sequence, you can generate a list of values into multiple cells with a single formula, no need to enter manually or copy and paste. You can even create a list of dates with sequence. Let's start by understanding what is required with the sequence formula. Sequence has 4 criteria: rows, columns, start and step. Columns, start and step are optional. The rows criteria specifies how many rows you want to number. In this example, we want to number 5 rows, so we enter the number 5, close the bracket and press enter. Excel numbers the rows from 1 to 5. To number columns, first provide a value for rows. Then provide a value for the number of columns you need. Close the bracket and press enter. Excel will number the columns along one row. The next criteria in sequence is start. By default, sequence starts numbering from 1. If you need your list to start with a different number, then provide a value for the start criteria. For example, if we want to start numbering from 10, first provide a value for rows. Then provide a value for columns. In this example, we want to number 5 rows along one column. Next, provide a value for start. Here, we want to start numbering from 10. Close the bracket and press enter. Excel numbers 5 rows starting from 10. The last criteria in the sequence formula is step. As you can see from our last example, Excel increases each value by 1. We can change this by providing a value in the step criteria. As an example, let's say we want to create a list of even numbers. Enter the sequence formula, then provide a value for the number of rows and columns you need. Then enter the number you want to start with. Here we want to start with 10. Finally, provide a value for step. Since in this example, we want even numbers starting from 10, we enter 2 for step. Close the bracket and press enter to complete the formula. As you can see, each number increases by 2, the value we provided in the step criteria. That's it, you now know how to use the sequence function in Excel. Do subscribe for more video tutorials on Excel, designed to help you work smarter, not harder.